Oh, no! Look out!
I think it's safe to say, King, that he's not at 100% after that brutal assault before the match started.
Yeah, I think that's safe. Oh!
This is what makes him so dangerous.
Definitely looking confident.
Uh-oh. Turnbuckle power bomb.
Oh, man, that was painful. The shoulders are down.
And the shoulders up in time.
Well, as long as it's up before that 3 count, that's all that matters.
Just making his presence felt there. There may be no stopping him.
Thinking to avoid that.
You have to wonder just how widespread the back pain is. We'll find out soon enough.
No kidding. This is bad. I have a feeling we're going to see several more demonstrations like that before the night's over. He's got him hooked.
Look out.
He's moving like a man possessed.
He's in big trouble.
Man, that got him good. He landed a perfectly placed strike. That'll send a message to your adversary, all right.
Right, and the message reads P-A-I-N. He's looking to create some separation here.
We've seen this before.
End of story. This one's over.
What a...
Covers.
1, 2.
Oh, that's devastating.
Now, who does a methodical pace benefit, King?
Well, I'll tell you, whenever the dominating competitor takes his time, it gives everybody a chance to catch their breath.
He may be in the best physical condition I've ever seen him in.
We know what, well, that's it.
Suddenly, he's in control.
Looks like he's pinpointing the back. He's delivering an old-fashioned butt kicking right here. We're seeing 2 outstanding athletes looking to prove their dominance in there, but only one can walk out victorious. Who will it be?
Looking to get on a roll here. Wow, he's still down after that.
You're watching Raw, the longest running weekly episodic television program in history.
Look at this. Could it be? That's it. He's done.
Finisher. This match might be over.
And into the cover.
1, 2, 3.
Here's your winner, ladies and gentlemen.
What are those two doing out at the entrance?
I don't know. But we aren't going to have to wait long to find out.
Oh my goodness, it looks like these three are going to join forces.